Me Hotel London is a name you'll have come across if you were searching for luxury hotels in London or five-star hotels in London. It's known for its modern design and its buzzy Radio Rooftop bar. But is it worth it? I'm going to tell you all about the hotel in my honest review. I paid to stay here, so let's take a look. So what blew me away, besides the entrance, is when you go up to the first floor to the reception, you're greeted by this huge, chic, large marble atrium that stretches all the way up to the Radio Rooftop bar and is full of art, as well as a light art installation, which is super cool. And they greet you with a glass of bubbles, they make you feel comfortable, and it was a really, really easy, efficient check-in. It's located on the Strand in Covent Garden and it's really easy to get to via tube, taxi or underground. But let's take a look at the rooms. So this is the City View room or the Superior ME. It's 323 square feet, which is pretty big for a London hotel room. There are also larger rooms and suites. The bathroom is sleek chrome, glass and dark marble. I love that there's both a waterfall shower and a handheld shower and really nice amenities from razors to toothpaste to moisturizer to lip balm. And I really love that the toilet's separate from the bathroom as well, because that's kind of nice to have that separated as well. Don't miss the closet. It's on the right of the room when you go in. But this is the room. It's a king bed. You can also get two twins. There was some really cute macaroons when we arrived. There was complimentary water, some magazines. And it's really bright light and airy and really surprisingly quiet because it's kind of known as being a party hotel that comes alive at night, much like the other Me by Meliá hotels in Ibiza, Madrid and Miami. But at night, it's actually really surprisingly quiet. The big windows have two different shutters. You have a privacy shutter and literally a blackout shutter, and the windows are really thick. So although it's a really, really busy street, it's actually really surprisingly quiet. And I ended up doing my makeup in this spot because it was really good lighting coming in there. If you're wondering where the closet is, it's tucked away in the hallway and there's everything you need in there. There's hangers, there's laundry bags, there's a luggage rack, there's an umbrella because obviously the summers in England are very notorious for being rainy. And then there's obviously a security safe, which is a nice feature, a dressing gown and slippers, everything you'd normally expect in a five-star luxury hotel in London. There's also free Wi-Fi, and one of the cool things about this room, besides the air conditioning, which is a really nice feature to have, is it's quite tech savvy. There's a lighting panel, you can control the dimness, you can even control the colors that surround your TV to set the mood lighting. The minibar is hidden in here, along with a coffee maker, some champagne and wine glasses, ice bucket, and some snacks. So I'm impressed with this room and the size of it, but let's head up to the roof because Radio Rooftop is one of my favorite bars in London. The cocktails, food, a live DJ, panoramic views are all amazing, but definitely make sure to make a reservation because this place is really popular and gets super busy. There's also an STK restaurant attached if you fancy a good steak. I'm ashamed to admit I didn't even bring my gym gear on this trip as we tend to do so much walking around London, but the gym in the basement is so well equipped. There's running machines, steppers, free weights, Peloton bikes, fixed path machines, everything you need to stay in shape on your trip to London. So in conclusion, it's a really sleek, chic hotel. It's very sophisticated. If you were looking for something more traditional, you might prefer somewhere like Claridge's or the Savoy, but this is fun, it's romantic, it's sexy. The service is exceptional. Some people were saying some of the service was condescending. We didn't have that issue at all. We found all of the service really helpful, really friendly, and they went out of their way to help us and make cocktails that weren't on the menu. I love, again, the shower facilities. The water pressure was great. The water heated up really quickly. If you forget anything, the amenities were there. The location was amazing. We could walk into Covent Garden easily. If you're looking to see a show, everything is right there. The beds were comfortable. It was dark in the morning. So definitely thumbs up for this five-star luxury hotel in London. I want to check out more of the Me by Meliá hotels as well in other locations, but I don't think you'll be disappointed with your stay.